Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing video for you guys. Before I get into this video here, I would appreciate if you could go head on down below and hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on so you get notified when I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Alright, so as you can see here, I have the 11 Pro Max, and this is the midnight green. So if you check my other videos previously, I unboxed the space gray. I unboxed the space gray iPhone 11 Pro Max, the gold iPhone 11 Pro Max, and the silver 11 Pro. All right, so you can head on to my channel, check out my other videos, the unboxing of the 11 Pro Maxes. All right, so that's the gray, space gray, gold, and silver. The silver is the Pro, not the Pro Max. All right, so as you can see here, this is the 256 gigabytes. All right, so all three that I previously did the unboxing for are the 256 gigabyte models, as I really don't need much more than that because I have iCloud. All right, and this is the midnight green. All right, so I'm gonna go head into this video and do this unboxing for you guys. All right, so first off, let's rip the plastic off here, put that aside, and let's get into the fun stuff. All right, so let's reveal this slowly. Here we go, and this is the midnight green iPhone 11 Pro Max. All right, very beautiful. On the camera it probably looks a little gray, but in person it's green. It's a dark green color. That's why it's called midnight green, obviously. And you can see it still has the plastic on the front here. I'm gonna keep this plastic on here until I pretty much install my screen protector on here. So I'm just gonna keep this on so the screen stays clean until I install my screen protector. So I'm not gonna do the setup for this as yet because I really don't want to go through that and then have to go back, reset it just to sign into iCloud and restore my stuff. So I'm gonna put this right here, and in the box here you can see the regular stuff. We have the charger, we have a set of earpods, the Apple earpods here, as you can see, earpods, standard ones with the wire, not wireless, and we have the USB-C to lightning cable right here. All right, so this is a fast charger for the 11 Pro Max. All right, and this one is the midnight green. I always see this color and I'm like, this is a beautiful color, but I had to have all three colors. So I have three colors in the Pro Max so far, which is the space gray, the gold, and this midnight green. The only other one that's left is the silver one, which I have in the 11 Pro, not the Pro Max. All right, so I have pretty much all the colors in the iPhone 11 Pros and Pro Max. So again, this is just a quick unboxing of the 11 Pro Max midnight green, as you can see I have here. All right, so again, this is just a quick unboxing, and this you can pretty much see that depending on the angle you turn this phone, it pretty much looks gray or black sometimes, but in person you pretty much can see the midnight green color. All right, so thank you for watching. Please remember to head on down below, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to get notified when I have another upload on my channel. I have more videos coming on the iPad 6th and 7th gen, and some videos as well on the 11 Pro Maxes. I have some videos coming for those, so please head on down, subscribe, turn that notification bell on to get notified when I upload. All right, so thank you for watching, guys. Peace.